Hello everyone, I'm Valdemar Leno, and today I will talk about my research topic, which is robotic process mining, accelerating the adoption of robotic process automation. Robotic process automation is a novel technology that allows organizations to automate highly repetitive and error-prone tasks during a business process. This can be achieved by programming the software bots, the set of instructions that replicate and specify how users interact with IT systems. Typical tasks that can be automated using robotic process automation is transferring the data from one system to another, such as, for example, from Excel spreadsheet to web form. Robotic process automation has many advantages. It can manage it's much better than human in managing the repetitive tasks, since it can work 24/7 without any reduction in efficiency. Since robots robots will be they reduce error rates, standardize workflow, and generate great cost savings. However, it requires a considerable amount of time to create the bots, and the process of creation is error-prone and requires a deep knowledge about the user interfaces that are involved in the process and how users should interact with them. Since the processes can change or the systems can change, the robots have to be re-implemented, and it is hard to maintain. For example, here is a robotic process automation project lifecycle at the University of Melbourne. You can see that considerable amount of time is spent on understanding the candidates for automation, with their further analysis and documentation. It also a huge amount of time is also spent on quality testing of the bots. Well, what we propose is to apply one of the possible solutions can be the application of process mining. It is a family of techniques that extract the knowledge about the processes from the process execution data recorded by some information system, such as recorded by some information system. One of the possible outputs of this analysis is a process model. However, the main problem process mining in solving this. However, there are a lot of challenges and problems that process mining still can't deal with. Robotic process automation requires a fully executable model, while process mining can discover only conceptual process models that gives the general overview of the process. It also discovers models from control flow perspective, meaning that it provides information about the order of the actions performed during the process. But for robotic process automation, we need to know much more. For example, how the data flows during a process, how the inputs depend on output, etc. works with general. We identify following research questions: how to identify routines in the process, how to discover executable models, routine specifications from UI logs, how to use the discovered specifications to build robotic process automation bots. We propose a new family of techniques which will be designed and developed during my PhD project, namely robotic process mining, which will be developed during my PhD project. It is a